Okay, so I'm back with video number 2. Just a little intro for the video. Looking a bit rough this morning, but this video was filmed last night
around 3 AM. All for you.
All for you.
All for our fans.
My
fans.
channel. Today we're making eggy bread. Let's go. First step. 1 egg in a bowl. Whisk it. As so. Milk. You add.
I'm actually so scared right now.
This amount of milk.
This amount.
Whisk. That's enough. That'll do. That'll do. That'll do. That'll do. I need some bread. Saffron, where's the bread? Bread in.
Free in the fridge. The bread is in the fridge. The bread.
It's empty.
It's empty.
Oh. It's empty, Saffron.
Saffron's empty.
Those are the bagels. I'm really. You're kind of silly. Is that bread? Okay. Well,
I'm very confused right now.
She's just digging into her meal over there.
I've got some. Oh, it's stale. Okay, we're using crumpets.
Can you use
So
that?
in an ideal situation,
I'm
you'd
touching my
use
teeth.
ideally you'd use an English muffin, an English muffin or toast or bread. But today we'll be using English muffins. I mean crumpet. Actually, this is perfect. This is perfect. We'll be using this bread today. As you can see, it's this texture.
Very different vibe to her first. No! Her first, most organised, pristine,
with a knife
video.
I literally don't remember this being your channel, so like, I think you should shut up. I'm gonna cut up the bread into suitable sizes of the ideal shape of a cube.
Suitable?
So I just want to let you know that obviously you can manipulate yourself in any way you want.
Manipulate yourself in the kitchen.
But this is how I'd manipulate myself if I were you. So I'd get some butter. So let's turn this stove on. Perfect. Saf? Butter.
I use oil.
I use butter.
I feel like oil's more like...
But
I use
quite
butter.
BTEC.
And
then any rice cake.
No, but oil, like olive oil is more like Italian.
Oh, too fiery, too fiery, too fiery.
Judgment.
You know I'm Italian.
Wait, can we not?
So triggered.
Excuse me, I'm literally
So
trying to film a
trigger.
video.
Word Italian is mentioned. Triggered. His name. Please edit this out, Nadine.
Yeah, please. Kiara, come here. So we're gonna soak the bread. We're soaking the bread.
You're weird.
We're soaking the bread in the mixture of
What's
the
your
egg.
reaction to this?
That's my
good
reaction.
Oh, I don't know, not you.
And as we soak it, this one's soaked.
Ew.
I just want to be able to get.
Ew, very interesting.
As we soak it, it's
I reckon
in.
you should just tip it upside down, mate.
I reckon you shouldn't get involved.
Okay. Just tip it.
Stop.
No, you're doing it wrong.
I'm the chef here, not you.
Just tip it. Because otherwise you're going to have loads of leftover egg.
No, that's the point. Like, I don't want it to be very saturated in egg, because, like, eggs are not my biggest fan, but I really like this. Okay.
I'm Egg's biggest fan. Hi, Twins. Hello. Hello.
I'm not filming.
Oh, no, hello. Oh, you're
Kiara, up here.
Sorry.
Wait, okay, look at this. So, I'm frying the eggy bread here. So it's eggs. So the bread is soaked.
It's really not that hard, like. Oh, look at that
my gosh,
technique.
so-
Oh, girl, you got technique.
Egg.
Oh, girl.
And now.
That's the first time your cooking channel got good.
And now we want it to be a really nicely browny, goldeny colour. That's when you know it's fried correctly.
This is getting boring. Can I stop?
No.
Okay, hurry up.
Turning up the fire a bit.
Saffron.
So here I am. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's the colour I'm trying to achieve here. When you reach that colour, you twist it over like so that each side can get this perfect colour.
God, we had the best time tonight. I'm in love. Okay. Can we put this in? Because it's left over.
No.
Okay.
And now, you turn the fire off and do a bit of... One fell.
I'm getting really good footage here. Oh girl, work it, work it, work it. Oh yes. Oh, it's
First, I got a bit of abuse for doing this. But look at that.
Very nice, very nice.
It may not look
Can I have
appealing.
a piece?
Try it. No, that's too big.
Oh, I'll take a small one.
And you know what it's really nicely mixed with? Ketchup. It's really nicely mixed with ketchup. Very good. And now... It's gone. It's not in the fridge. Someone's manipulated the ketchup out of the fridge.
I see it out of the fridge.
And voila, you've got yourself the perfect eggy bread.
A very perfect egg bread.
With the side of ketchup.